Finally. Able to just rest. On my couch with a book, cuddled up with a blanket. Who can I be? I'm not expecting anybody. It's probably a solicitor. Hello, hello. No, I wasn't busy. No, I don't think it's a good idea if you come in. Well, I'm getting over something. I don't exactly know what it is, but I don't want you know. What do you mean you know? Oh. My son told you, did he? God. I don't know why. Look, I really don't think it's wise for you to come in. Because I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know if I'm still contagious, and I mean, I probably look absolutely disgusting right now. And like, I really don't think it's a good idea. And I feel like we've already said what we've had to say to each other, right? And I don't think it's a good idea. You think otherwise? Well, that's very sweet. Uh-huh. You brought me soup. And tea. What do you mean you want to take care of me? Sweetheart, I'm not yours to take care of. I don't know what else I can say to get that through, but we are not going to... Hey, excuse me. What are you doing? You cannot just barge in here. Okay. Valid, I guess, that that word and your actions, the definition doesn't exactly match, but you can't just sneak into my home. And what are you doing closing the door? You don't want to let a draft in. Look, you can drop off the soup if you really want to. What kind of soup is it? It's my favorite. Where are you going? Right to the kitchen. Well, let me go with you. It's honestly a mess in there. And why are you laughing? I told you it was a mess. And okay, I guess a tea kettle and a couple napkins doesn't necessarily... Look, to me, it's a mess. And are you here to make fun of me, or are you here to give me some soup? Well, I mean, yes, of course, if you brought it, of course I'll eat it. You don't have to rummage through anything. Stop, really. No. Fine. I suppose if you are so adamant about this. What? Excuse me? Did you just tell me to sit down? Okay. Okay. There. I'm sitting. Now tell you where the... It's in the bottom drawer on the... No, this is... Yes, that one. The spoons are above it. Mm-hmm, that one. Okay. Thank you. It looks really good. Yeah. Okay. I'm not trying to just play with it with the spoon. I'm just... Nobody's ever done this for me. Not even my own kid has done this for me. No. A mother is usually the one taking care of somebody. Okay. Yes, I know I will blow on it. That's really good. I didn't blow enough. Thank you. Talk. No, now we cannot talk. Well, you're very pushy right now. Excuse me? You're pissed. I don't think this exactly is expressing how angry you are, or... What do you mean you can't stop thinking about me? No. I already said we've gone over this. We just can't. I'm scared. Of course I'm scared. I'm scared of what everybody is going to think. I'm scared what your family is going to think. I'm scared what my own child is going to think. And what do you mean stop? Yes. Yes. I feel like we've already established this. Yes, I care for you. Yes, I know you care for me too. And Why do you think it's so simple? How can you think it is so simple? It's not the most simplest thing. I'm not trying to diminish your feelings. And I'm definitely not trying to diminish mine, but the world will not look favorably on us. It will try everything in its power to rip us apart. So why go through that? Sorry. No. I don't know. I've been like this for a week now, I guess. And no, I don't have a fever or anything. Just my throat. I don't need to go to the doctor. I don't think, at least. I'm fine. You don't need to worry about me. Really, that's all you do is worry about me. What do you want me to say? What do you want me to tell you? That I think about you too, because it's true. I do. I do my best to not ask for you, but I find that I can't help it. And what? Simple? What do you mean you want to try something simple? A hug. Just a hug. All right. A hug. And that's it. Huh? You're gonna... What do you mean you're leaving? No, No, you're right. You should leave, but... What? Tomorrow? No, You're gonna be here no matter what. Bye. What just happened?